Thank you very much, Anna. Good afternoon, everyone. Just a sort of winter's day I like, really, crisp and sunny, but it is going to change in the very near future, although actually southeastern areas probably will hold on to the dry weather for much of the week. But this is the way things were looking on the latest satellite picture. Hardly a cloud in the sky in many parts. A little bit of cloud running down the east coast that has brought one or two showers, and the cloud is beginning to thicken out there to the west. The cloud to the west at the moment is fairly thin, so it is going to make the sunshine hazy but not blotted out entirely. But a fair bit of sunshine to come for most parts of the country, even though showers along the east coast and some in the Northern Isles will tend to fade as the afternoon goes on. It is going to be chilly though, but the wind's not as strong as yesterday, so it shouldn't feel too bad. But 4 or 5 degrees, perhaps the best temperatures I can offer you for eastern areas, a little bit higher in the west. Now this evening many parts of the country are going to start off dry and clear, but in the west the cloud will thicken and along will come some outbreaks of rain. But as it stays clear, with light winds in central and eastern parts, it is going to be cold there. In fact, it's going to be cold everywhere this evening. The temperatures will tumble during the course of the evening, and I think we'll find a frost setting in this side of midnight, that is away from western coast and Northern Ireland. But then later on in the night, as the cloud begins to spill across further and the wind freshens from the south, so the temperatures will lift, and I think by the end of the night, it's just going to be restricted probably to the southeastern corner of England. And then tomorrow we have this weather front here, warm front here to contend with. It will bring us some outbreaks of rain. So we start off with outbreaks of rain through much of Scotland, down these western parts of the country. The rain heaviest probably in western Scotland, light and patchy further south. Central and eastern areas, though, dry and bright. And as we've just seen, it'll be a frosty start in the southeastern corner of the country. Now, very gradually as the day wears on, the outbreaks of rain will ease a little bit further eastward, still light and patchy in the more central areas there. And again, the southeastern corner, I think, is going to stay dry and fairly bright. And the heaviest bursts of rain tend to ease off in some of these western areas, but at the same time, it'll be a bit misty and murky. Milder than of late in western parts, but still a little bit chilly in the east at 6 degrees or so, although those temperatures are a shade higher than today's. We keep high pressure close to the southeastern corner. We keep a weather front close to the northwestern part on Wednesday, and that's going to continue to bring some outbreaks of rain to the far northwest there. But for much of the country, it's going to be a fine day. There will be some fog patches to begin with, might again be a touch of frost, but otherwise fine with some sunny spells. The weather front, though, will move down across the north during the course of Thursday, bringing with it some outbreaks of rain. But by the time it gets down to the south on Friday, that rain, light and patchy, fine weather following along behind. Back to Anna.